In this video, I will solve your doubts on how to use PayPal with Cash App and whether or not it is possible to do this. Now, if you open up either the Cash App on your phone or the PayPal app, what you will notice is that on either of those apps, you will not have the option to directly connect them. So if you try to send money from Cash App, you will not see the option to send to a PayPal account, and the same for PayPal. You will not be able to find Cash App within the list of eligible banks or wallets that you can send money to, which means that as of today, you cannot directly send money from PayPal to Cash App or vice versa. What you need to do is link a bank account to Cash App or PayPal. And after you link a bank account to either of those apps, you will be able to send the money from the app to the bank account and then from the bank account to the other app. This is the only way to properly transfer balance between them, and in order to do this workaround using Cash App, all you have to do is follow the instructions I'm showing you on screen. Head over to your bank account, link bank account, and link any bank account that you can use on PayPal as well. Like I said, since both apps will not allow you to connect them directly, you will need to do this workaround, but you will be able to receive your funds on the other app. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that you cannot directly connect PayPal with Cash App, so you need to use a bank workaround if you wish to transfer balance between both apps. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.